Do you want a device that can check your oxygen level, track your activities, heart rate, and keep you updated at all times without having to look at your phone every minute? Well, if your answer is yes, then I have just the perfect device for you. The Realme Fashion Watch is the perfect smartwatch if you want to keep a track of all your daily activities, including the number of steps you take, the calories you burn, and the number of hours you stand. This watch will provide you with 14 sports modes that include indoor walking, badminton, table tennis, basketball, football, strength training, and much more. Since it's waterproof, you also need not worry about the weather outside. Its Bluetooth mode will notify you whether you have a message, call, or an email. You can, however, put it to DND just in case you're spending time with your family or you're working hard on an assignment. This watch has a real-time heart rate and blood oxygen level monitor that'll keep reminding you where your body stands when it comes to health that can't be seen. With this, it'll also keep reminding you to stay hydrated and active. For someone who's constantly on the go, this watch is apt since it comes with a 9-day battery life. With all that said, you can get the Realme Fashion Watch on FLIPKART. So order it right away and level up your fitness game.